Okay, so let me share with you how I make this healthy chocolate peanut butter overnight oats recipe. So this is what it looks like when it's all done. It's it's kind of hardened up the next day, and it's easy to eat. And so I start out with non-fat Greek yogurt. It's 1 1/3 cup of non-fat Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of vanilla, and 1 2/3 cups of milk. And so I start that in a big bowl. And then we have peanut butter and honey coming in next. So that's 1/2 cup of peanut butter and 1/4 of a cup of honey that I mixed in there. And you can use any kind of peanut butter or honey that you want. And really, all these ingredients, you can choose any kind you want and make your own adjustments. So next, I put in 2 tablespoons of flaxseed and 2 tablespoons of chia seed. And there was also 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt in there. And next we have the cocoa powder, unsweetened cocoa powder. So that is 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And there's what the cocoa powder looks like, Hershey's cocoa powder, and you can get any kind you want. And then we have oats. You can choose any kind of oats that you might like. This is 2 cups of oats. And then get that all whisked together. You can make any kind of adjustments you want to these ingredients that you want. Just try it out. You can add cinnamon in here, anything you want. So I searched for recipes online for kind of a high protein, low in saturated fat, low in cholesterol. I want to get the probiotics in there from the non-fat Greek yogurt, and a lot of shakes and overnight oats recipes had banana in it, and I really don't like banana at all. So this is kind of the recipe that I found that I liked, and I started with the recipe I found, and I made some adjustments along the way to make it my own. So you can do the same thing for you. So if you want to give this a try, you could cut this in half or quarter it and just try a little batch of it and go from there. But this is kind of the amount that I like to make, and I put it into jars so I take these jars to work and eat it in the afternoon instead of potato chips or something unhealthy. So I'll get that all jarred up, and then I put these in the fridge, and they're good for it lasts me a week or so in the fridge before it's all gone. I eat 1 jar a day, or half a jar a day. It is pretty filling. So let me know what you think, and talk to you later.